Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue regarding the timeliness for issuing the notice under section 148 in those cases where a search has been made on the assessee and the revenue was not able to make the assessment of the issues which were not because of the incriminating material found during the search. There was a case of Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Principal CIT versus Abhisar Buildwell Private Limited, in which the Honorable Supreme Court held that if during the search no incriminating material has been found regarding an addition, then the assessing officer cannot make the addition in the assessment under section 153A and 153C. But he has the option to reopen the case of the assessee under section 147 read with section 148 as per law. The issue before Delhi High Court in the present case was that whether this liberty to reopen the cases under section 147, in those cases whether the time limit under section 149 will apply. This issue has been well taken up by the Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of ARN Infrastructure India Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case is reported in 469 ITR at page number 333, and the date of the judgment is 26th September 2024. In the present case, when the assessment under section 153A was going on for the assessee, the assessment was made in relation to the other matters which were not part of the incriminating material, and that issue travelled to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court held that the assessing officer can make the addition only on the basis of the incriminating material, and for other issues the revenue can resort to section 147 as per the law. So according to that judgment, the assessing officer reopened the case of the assessee under section 148 for the assessment year 2007-8 to assessment year 12-13 in the case of the assessee, that is ARN Infrastructure India Limited, by relying on the judgment of Abhisar Buildwell Private Limited. The revenue was taking the shelter of section 150, which says that if according to the direction of a court, the assessing officer will have the power to reopen the case of the assessee and the time limits will not apply according to section 150. And these cases were reopened for the assessment year 2007-8 to assessment year 12-13, and they were apparently time barred according to section 149, but the revenue plea was that these cases can be reopened by taking the shelter of the 150 by taking the direction from the case of the Abhisar Buildwell Private Limited. When this matter was heard by Delhi High Court in the writ petitions filed by the assessee, Delhi High Court was of the view that the decision given in the Abhisar Buildwell Private Limited was clearly stating that the assessing officer is not remediless in case when the incriminating material is not found in the search. He can open the cases under section 147, but that should be as per law. As per law means that the assessing officer can reopen the cases only in the time limits mentioned under section 149. The court said that there is no statutory provision that the time which is spent in assessment under section 153A and 153C was liable to be excluded while issuing the notice under section 149. The court further said that it cannot be read as to override section 149 and such an action should be in accordance with law. The court further said that the expression finding as occurring in section 150 should be understood to be a conclusion or a decision of an authority or tribunal rendered in context of a particular case and essential for determining the grant of liberty. But in the present case, when the Supreme Court was dealing in the case of Principal CIT versus Abhisar Buildwell Private Limited, then in that case, the principal question of validity of such assessment was in question. So that finding cannot be applied to the case of the assessee, that is ARN Infrastructure India Private Limited, and the revenue cannot have the limitless time for opening the case under section 147 read with section 148 and read with section 150. So the conclusion of the case is that the limits of section 150 will apply, and the notices issued under section 148 in the present case for the assessment year 2007-8 to the assessment year 12-13 will be quashed. Thank you, friends.